the king of the north!
I am the dragon's daughter.
What right does the wolf judge the lion?
Hello, my sweet summer children. I'm back with some juice to get you through the long night. If you're pumped for the last day of Stark Week, or if you just love Stark Week, then please slap a like on this video and drop some direwolf emojis in the comment section. But stay tuned to the end of this video because I have an announcement. One boy to make them fall, one warg to rule them all. Bran Stark is an unlikely hero. He's a cripple and he's broken, but thus far he has survived. I did a video a while back about Bran's destiny and the weirwood bow and arrow with the dragon glass tips, and I believe it is Brandon Stark that will defeat the White Walkers. A lot of people think that Daenerys will be the hero, or Jon will be the hero, or Tyrion, or some three-headed dragon, but this story started and will end with Bran. I do not think Bran is the Night King, although that theory is very convincing. Shout out to my boy Nex from Game of Theories. Brandon Stark is a warg, but who is the Night King? And who will be able to stop the Night King? The Night King is a Stark. The 13th Lord Commander was a Stark as well. But let's not move too quickly because when we do, we miss things. In Dance with Dragons, Bran has a vision at the Heart Tree in Winterfell. I won't go over every vision, but I want to focus on one. There's a woman coming out of a black pool at Winterfell. She is heavy with child and she kneels down in front of the Heart Tree, praying for a son to avenge her. The first time I analyzed this dream, I thought she was Old Nan. But later, I realized who she could be. She could be the daughter of the Warg King. So you might be asking yourself, who in Seven Hells is the Warg King Grey? The Warg King's name is unknown, but he ruled Sea Dragon Point in the north. He was allied with the Children of the Forest, but they were defeated by the Kings of Winter and House Stark. The Starks killed his sons, his beast and greenseers, but took his daughters as prizes. So the thought came to me, the pregnant woman is looking for someone to avenge her. She wants to be avenged. So what was wrong with her, or what happened to her that she felt she should be avenged? Did one of the Warg King's daughters get pregnant by a King of Winter? These chronicles of the Warg King were found at the Night Fort. The Night Fort is the place that the Night Queen and the Night's King ruled from. Interesting. It could very well be Bran and his siblings are from the bloodline of the Warg King's daughter and a King of Winter. And it could be very possible that the Night King is from this same bloodline. The thing with wargs and skin changers is you really can't kill them. You can kill their host, but their minds live on. They have second lives in one animal, human, or whatever skin they choose. In A Song of Ice and Fire, we have Vanmir Sixskins. He changes skins like he changes clothes, and when he dies, he chooses to live on in a second life. The Warg King could have been killed in one sense or the other, but he could have chose another host for his spirit to go into. We know all wargs are skin changers, but not all skin changers are wargs. Bran Stark is told by Bloodraven that his blood makes him a greenseer. So that seems to indicate that his blood is mingled with the Children of the Forest or this said Warg King. When you think about the Night King and you see what he's doing, how he's moving, what do you see? I see a Warg King. He's warging into multiple whites at once. These aren't just zombies going after prey. These are orders being given, specific orders being given. If you go back to the White attack, when they attacked Lord Commander Mormont at the wall, The White specifically went for Lord Commander Mormont. The White was being controlled, just like how Bran controls Hodor. I definitely think the Night King is not only a Greenseer, but a warg. Bran will be the one to kill him. If you were to kill the Night King in a physical sense, he can skin change into something else. He's probably the most powerful warg on the show. This battle can only be won by Bran, and it will be the most difficult decision he has ever faced because he has lost his legs, he has lost Summer, he has lost his father, he has lost his mother, he has lost 2 of his brothers, and he thinks the Greensight is the only thing that he has left, the only thing that makes him feel whole, and he would have to give that up too. Because the only way to kill the Night King is to destroy the magic that moves him. Destroy the magic that lives in the trees. Destroy the children and destroy the trees. Burn them all. I really do believe it will be Bran and not Jon and Daenerys that will defeat the others. Let me know what you guys think. And do you think it's possible that the Warg King is the Night King? I hope you guys liked this video and I hope you guys liked Stark Week. But guess what? Guess what I'm gonna do for you guys? I'm gonna put out Targaryen Week and we're gonna call it Targ Week, and it's just gonna be just like Stark Week but for the Targaryens. Thanks for watching. You can connect with me on these social medias. Please click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell and join the sweet summer family. Okay, my sweet summer children. Have a good day.